How to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. Hey guys, in today's quick tutorial, we're going to look at a quick and easy way to transfer money from PayPal over to bank account. So the first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal application. Once you're logged in here, all you have to do is find the balance section on the top of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on your balance. And if you haven't already, you can go to the wallet section at the bottom right to connect your bank account to your PayPal account. So under bank account and card, you can tap on add new, and then you can go to bank accounts, select the bank account of your choice and add a new account to link it to your PayPal. Now go ahead and click on your balance up top, and from there you want to go to transfer. Now you want to make a bank transfer, so tap on transfer to bank. Now you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. So here I've entered all the available balance. You can select it in minutes or in 2 to 3 business days. In this case, there are no transaction fees, so you can select any one of these options. And if you have multiple bank accounts, you can just go ahead and click on the change icon right beside the bank account. Tap on transfer. Now once it's loading and it's been completely loaded, you should be able to transfer the money. As you can see here, the £3 is on its way. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.